What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance required light on a Toyota 4Runner. First, if you have the keyless ignition, you're going to press the start-stop button 2 times to get to this screen. If you have the key ignition, you're going to turn it to the run position. Then press the long button on the right-hand side of the gauge cluster until you get to the trip A on the gauge cluster. Turn the key off or press the start-stop button again to turn the ignition totally off. Then, while holding down the button located in the gauge cluster, press the start-stop button again 2 times, or turn the key back to the run position. Then you'll see it'll say resetting maintenance data. Wait till that completes, and then you're all set. And if you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next one.